Ethan wanted one simple thing: to study like other children. But every day, he only carried Lily's bag and watched school from outside. One broken vase destroyed Ethan's life forever. Nobody listened to the truth, and Ethan was thrown out into the cold night. Ethan worked every day just to survive. But two kind people finally saw something special inside him. Ethan finally found real parents, real love, and a real home. Years later, the homeless boy became a millionaire. But he never forgot kindness. Every morning started the same way for Ethan. Alone, cold, and forgotten inside his own house. Lily woke up to warm pancakes and love every morning. Ethan woke up to work before breakfast. Ethan was not treated like a son in this house. To Emma, he was only someone who cleaned and worked. In the same house, two children lived completely different lives. One child had comfort, the other only hunger. Ethan watched family moments from far away every day. He wanted love too, but nobody noticed him. But no matter how hard he worked, it was never enough. That evening looked normal at first, but one small moment was about to change everything. The vase shattered into pieces across the floor, and Ethan already knew what would happen next. Lily blamed Ethan immediately, and Emma never stopped to ask what really happened. Ethan tried to tell the truth, but nobody listened to him. In that house, he was always guilty before speaking. Emma made her final decision that night. Ethan was no longer welcome inside the house. Ethan packed everything he owned in only one small bag. His whole world could fit inside that backpack. At only 12 years old, Ethan became homeless. The people he called family left him alone in the cold night. Ethan only wanted one thing that night: someone who truly wanted him to stay. Ethan survived the freezing night alone. And the next morning, he started searching for hope. Ethan finally gathered courage to ask for help. He had no home, no food, and nowhere to go. Ethan asked for any kind of work. He was ready to work hard just to survive. The hotel owner could not give Ethan a real job, but he gave the boy something even more important: a chance. Ethan worked harder than anyone expected. He wanted to prove he deserved this opportunity. That warm meal meant everything to Ethan. It was the first kindness he received in a very long time. The hotel owner noticed Ethan was completely alone. But instead of judging him, he showed kindness. Ethan still slept outside every night, but now he finally had hope for tomorrow. One afternoon, Ethan found something important on a table. It was a wallet full of money. Ethan could have kept the money for himself, but even after all his pain, he stayed honest. For the first time in many nights, Ethan would not freeze outside. That simple red blanket felt like a small victory. The blanket protected Ethan from the cold night air. But his heart still missed a real home. That same evening, two people entered Ethan's life forever. Their names were Arthur and Olivia. Arthur and Olivia noticed how hard Ethan worked, and they could see sadness hiding behind his smile. Olivia softly asked Ethan about his family, and Ethan finally admitted that he had nowhere to go. Olivia could not stop thinking about Ethan that night. She saw a lonely child who desperately needed love. Olivia could not forget Ethan's sad eyes. She already felt something special in her heart for him. Arthur and Olivia had love, money, and a beautiful home. But one room inside the house was still empty. Olivia wanted Ethan to fill that empty room. She wanted to give him the childhood he never had. The next morning, Arthur and Olivia came back for Ethan. This time, they came with an important question. Arthur and Olivia asked Ethan to become part of their family. For the first time in his life, someone truly wanted him. Ethan could hardly believe what he was hearing. Nobody had ever chosen him before. Ethan asked them one simple question. Why would anyone want me? The hotel owner was happy to see Ethan finally safe. The lonely homeless boy finally had a family waiting for him. Ethan was nervous during the drive. He still feared this beautiful moment might disappear. Ethan had never seen a home like this before. But for the first time, he was finally invited inside. Ethan entered the house slowly and carefully. He was afraid to touch anything around him. Arthur and Olivia wanted Ethan to feel safe immediately. They wanted him to finally feel at home. Ethan had never owned a room before. Now, he finally had a place that belonged only to him. Even a small gift felt special to Ethan. Nobody had ever bought something just for him before. That night, Ethan finally slept in a real bed for the first time in years, and he finally felt safe and beautiful to him. Ethan could not believe how much food was on the table, and nobody had ever told him to eat as much as he wanted before. Ethan finally enjoyed a breakfast filled with love and comfort, and every small moment felt new and beautiful to him. Ethan finally started acting like a normal, happy child, and Arthur loved seeing that smile on his face. Arthur wanted Ethan to enjoy childhood and learning together, so he bought Ethan his very first tablet. Ethan was slowly learning what love truly felt like, and every day his new family loved him even more. Arthur and Olivia had another surprise for Ethan that would change his future forever. Ethan was finally standing outside a real school, but this time he was not carrying someone else's bag. Ethan felt nervous on his first day at school, but deep inside, he was also incredibly happy. Ethan listened carefully to every single lesson, and education felt like the greatest gift in his life. Ethan studied harder than anyone else in his class because he never wanted to lose this second chance. Ethan studied every chance he got because he wanted to build a better future for himself. After months of hard work, Ethan became the top student in class, and the boy nobody believed in was finally shining brightly. Arthur and Olivia were incredibly proud of Ethan, and to them, he was already their greatest success. Years slowly passed by, and Ethan never stopped growing stronger, and the homeless boy finally graduated with pride and honor. Ethan followed the dream he carried since childhood and worked day and night to become a successful businessman. Ethan's hard work slowly built something incredible, and he was no longer poor or homeless anymore. Ethan built his company with discipline and focus, and the same hard-working boy inside him never disappeared. Ethan became a millionaire businessman, but deep inside, he still remembered his painful childhood. Meanwhile, life became very difficult for Alex and Emma, and the family that once rejected Ethan was now struggling badly. Alex could no longer find enough work to survive comfortably, and for the first time, He truly regretted losing Ethan. The house felt empty and cold without Ethan, and Alex finally understood how badly they had treated him. Ethan's company continued growing larger every year, and people now respected the boy they once ignored. One unexpected phone call changed everything again, and Ethan's company was searching for a chauffeur driver. Alex finally felt a small bit of hope again, but he had no idea who truly owned that company. The next morning, Alex arrived at the company for his new job, but he still did not know he was about to meet Ethan again. Alex had never entered such a powerful company before, and every step brought him closer to the truth. Fate finally placed Ethan and Alex face to face again, but neither of them realized it immediately. Then, Ethan noticed something familiar inside the car. A photograph from his painful childhood. Ethan recognized the photograph immediately, and it was the only old picture Alex still carried of his son.
After many painful years, father and son finally recognized each other, and the homeless boy had become the millionaire sitting in the back seat. Alex could not stop the tears in his eyes because he had finally found the son he lost years ago. Alex admitted he made terrible mistakes in the past, and losing Ethan became the greatest regret of his life. Ethan remembered every painful moment clearly, the cold nights, the hunger, and being left alone. Alex begged Ethan to come home with him, and Ethan finally agreed, but his heart still carried pain. Ethan returned to the house that once threw him away, but now everything inside felt broken and empty. Ethan stood inside the same house that once rejected him, but this time, he was no longer powerless. Ethan finally told them the full truth about his painful journey, and he survived cold streets, hunger, and loneliness completely alone. Ethan could have stayed angry forever, but kindness had changed his heart long ago. Ethan decided to give Alex and Emma a new home, not because they deserved it, but because he chose kindness. Ethan showed mercy to the people who once hurt him deeply because someone once showed that same kindness to him. Ethan never forgot the people who truly saved his life, and Arthur and Olivia became the parents he always needed. Ethan finally experienced the family life he dreamed about as a child, a home filled with warmth, peace, and love. The lonely homeless boy became a powerful millionaire businessman, but success never changed his kind heart. Ethan's life changed because somebody chose kindness over cruelty, and one loving decision completely changed his future. Ethan's story proved one powerful truth: kindness can change a person's life forever.